everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video. I'm going to be answering the question, what is happening to the tweaked apps? Now the tweaked apps, I know I made a tutorial on them, but then you guys wanted me to make another tutorial on them. Well, most of you guys. So I will make a tutorial on, if you really want to, comment down below. I will make a tutorial on how to get Tweaked Apps 2020. It's the TutuBox version, and then you get like Among Us Hack, Instagram Plus, all those cool apps out there. So the only reason I didn't post, how to get your tweaked apps, is because Apple, they have new servers, so every time you restart your phone, it does a server check, and if it sees any tweaked apps, it automatically revokes them. And also, if you install a blacklisted app from TutuBox, then your whole certificate will just revoke, and you'll lose all of your tweaked apps. There's some new server changes from Apple. Apple's done some new server changes, and also, apart from the new server changes, there's the tutorial on how to get your tweaked apps has been updated several times, so you won't get any revokes from your so you won't get any revokes on your tweaked apps. And I should probably be able to update the tutorial and release the video on my channel. I'll try to release as many updated tutorials as possible, and soon I will release a updated tutorial video on how to get your tweaked apps. So there's basically two ways to get your tweaked apps. You can either go to the TutuBox route. You can go into your Safari, and then we can just go into we can just go to tutubox.io. So it's gonna search up tutubox.io. So we can go there. Yeah, so we can either go to the TutuBox website, and then we can get our tweaked apps from there. Or there's another way, but that way is paid. So you have to pay $20 a year. But the main benefit is you get to sign your own apps, and also you will get no revokes, no computer, no PC for sure. There will be no updated method for that, and your tweaked apps will be working for at least a year with that paid service. But then if you want the free service, you are always going to have to do some steps before installing your tweaked applications, or if you're going outside on 4G, and you have to do all that stuff. And you have to be careful. You have to be careful of your tweaked apps getting revoked if you forget to do something like turn on airplane mode before you restart your phone. So yeah, that's the status for tweaked apps right now. You can either get the free version, or you can either get the free version, or you can get the tweaked app for the free, or the tweaked app, the paid version. So yeah, I just wanted to give a quick update on what is going on and what is happening with tweaked apps coming forward from now. And I will make a tutorial on how to get your tweaked apps. So if you really want that, comment down below, and I will make it and release the video as soon as possible. And that's pretty much it for the video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe button, as every subscriber is special. It really does help the growth of my channel. And if you have any other questions, comments, or anything, just comment down below and I'll get back to you. And I'll see you all in the next time. Peace out till then.